As I figured it would just be easier for me to just make a video and kind of do like a walkthrough with how I approached this assignment and just how it turned out. So without any further ado, let's just hop into it. So I had a Quizlet and I chose to do 3rd grade history, and the topic was in their unique features. So the SOL that I chose to go by is right here, and it says, the student will develop map skills by using globes and maps to locate and describe major rivers, mountain ranges, and the other geographic features of Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, and South America. So I pulled all of my questions that I incorporated with my quiz from the essential knowledge right here, because this is everything that the students should have learned in class. So like I said, my questions came from right here. I feel like Quizlet would be something that would be used in upper elementary schools because that's when it could start being more beneficial to the students. So this would be like 3rd grade and on. So middle school, high school, and even college after that as well. The layout is like flashcards, so it's kind of like a study tool. Or you can even use it as tests, and an inspiration for how I feel like this could be used with tests came from when I was in high school. We would have these remote responders, or we called them clickers, and the teacher would put the questions that are on the test either on the smartboard or like the overhead projector, and we would work with her and answer each question by putting her answers in with this remote responder. Or another way that some teachers would give tests would be giving us a paper copy, which would allow us to work on our own pace. And I found this was just an interesting way and just a unique and fun way to just take a test because it was better and more fun to do than just filling in a bubble. So let's go into my Quizlet. Here's what Quizlet looks like, and it's easy to create something. You just make an account and you go up here to create, and it's kind of just you put your answers in, and you have like a flashcard setup. So here's the question that I put in that I pulled from the essential knowledge. And if I click into it, it'll give me the correct answer. So my correct answer for that is right here. And then you can go through in a way that you can like use this as just like your test to go by in class, is you can show the question right here. And then once everyone has answered it out loud or anything like that, then you can click and show the answer and be like, it was Asia. And then you can discuss it. So it'll give you like a format for a question and answer and discussion. And if you don't want to go back through and be like, man, I can't remember that question that I got wrong, if you can see all of the questions that their creator has right here, you can star it and it'll show you that that's one that I need to work on that I missed. Or you can even have it read it to you like that. And it can show you like how to pronounce words. And I just feel like it's a really cool thing to use, and I use it a lot now, and I used it throughout high school. And without further ado, this is our introduction to Quizlet.